Good evening, guys. You are from AV Technologies Chennai. Here we are. Myself is Asif Shah, MD of this concern, and heading this group for EEG-based machine control. So, what is the idea of the project here is we developed a EEG-based machine control in which it primarily works on ARM board. And let me introduce my project mates, Ms. B. Hema and Ms. P. Uma, who has been under my guidance, who have completed this project successfully with the taking of numerous number of patients. Let me explain this working mechanism of this project. So here we have a three electrode actually. Three electrodes is to be pasted on the frontal lobe of my patient, and we have taken the numerous number of readings trials in which a thought has to be processed. The main objective of the project is getting the thought and controlling the machine. So here, this is what the setup of a patient and the sensor and sensing electrode. So what we did is actually we have taken the signal and we have given to an ARM processor. That is, which works on with a 10-bit resolution of ADC, and it is being mixed with my I2C based memory interfacing. So here the numerous number of trials has been taken out, and with the help of that, the thought has been extracted, and from the thought it's been transferred to a wireless transmitter, and it will be received in this machine. So this machine will work on the thought which is extracted from my transmitter side. So this is being controlled based upon this. And here the machine can be having a sensitivity of 40%. For further research, this may increase to 60 or 70% of my results. So this is what we did with the help of your ARM boards and the sensing electrode and with the wireless transceivers. So here we want to thank the team of my project mates who have did a wonderful job in designing the hardware and helping out me to find out the customized software for all these things. So we encourage this kind of people to work with us. So once again, I thank my project mates from this Hosur guys who have worked with me and to bring a successful result on this project. Thank you.